As we said, we'll cover two types of object. One's range, one's application. So let me talk about range objects. There are several types of property here. Is a value, and method. So property, we will do value and formula. The value can be equal to 10, number, or equal to double quotation happy, which will be a text value, or you can make it formula equal to the formula you write here. So remember the formula have an equal to, otherwise we consider text. And method you can do is copy, paste special, or offset. So let's write something. We'll try to do the value here. Value can be a formula, can be set it to function. Value can be use a range to set the value or set the formula. Can be set to a number or set to string or set to exactly formula. And formula can also set number. It's not a big problem. So let's us see the function here. So let's go to the spreadsheet. There's nothing here, okay? But we go to Visual Basic. Let's see the function. Okay, so this is the function, exactly copying from there, from this. Then let's run this, because subroutine we can run it. And once we run it, let's see what you see here is, okay, this is 20, expect, this is 10, this is happy, the value is x, and this is formula is A1 plus A2 equal to 30. So this is how you can directly send what you want using the ranged function. You can set what the cell equal to what, okay, by using directly set what they are. And sometimes this is how to write on the spreadsheet. Then go back, we want to get something from the spreadsheet again. So let's see how we can do it. We'll use get from sheet. Basically what I'm doing here is I define a variable and set a 20, okay, and then I want to assign variable A according to value 20, okay, and then such a message box give us the value is. So let's see what we have here. The value is 6 here, but at the end we'll get 20 because this is what we do. Sorry, we go to spreadsheet here. I have 6 here. Maybe I change to 10. Okay, and then go to the expert spreadsheet. I want it to be same as what we have here. Is the value I set it to 20. Okay, and then I want get this value. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, and we get 20, and I went to 60. Then we export 60, and this one changed to 60. Remember what we do is I set the value 60 and I want to export it. Okay, so there's two things I do here. Now we know how to get the value from the spreadsheet, or if you want to be even more simpler, I don't want to set it here. Suppose I remove this. Okay, then go back to the spreadsheet. I change number 80, and then I go to Visual Basic and run this with 80, right? So it doesn't really matter whether we set it. You can also do the same to extract the value from the spreadsheet. So the next thing we want to say, once we put in, extract, the very common thing we do is copy and paste. So what I'm doing here is I set A1 to B5, a formula that random numbers, and C1 will be calculating the value of A1 and B1. And here I copy the A1 value and copy and paste C2 to C5. So let's see how we do it in the spreadsheet. So let's see. There's something here, but I clean it out. Okay. And then go to the VBA. and click the here. This is the function subroutine I want. So we have a 4 line, exactly what we see in the slide. So let's run it. Nothing would happen because everything is written on the spreadsheet. So let's go to the spreadsheet and see what happened. So all this is the rank as we expect, right? Everything is same as the rank here, right? And then this one is the formula A1 plus B1, okay? And then we remember copy and paste here. So remember when copy and paste, it's a copy and paste the formula, right? So that's why every formula is just a column A and column B summed together. So this is how you can manipulate your spreadsheet, do copy and paste. Okay. And finally, we want to show the offset function. So here we have range A1 1, A2 is 2, and B1 is 3. So the message box A1 offset 0.1 dot value is actually giving you the B1 value, and message box range A1 offset 10 should be give you the A2 value, because this go down by 1 row. Okay. Let's see what we can get from the offset. So let's see the Excel spreadsheet here. We have 1, 2, 3. Actually, we don't need that. We can erase it because it will be created from the subroutine. So the 1, 2, 3 created, and we will tell you this will be 2, this will give you 1, because A1 offset 0.1 it give you a second column A2. So let's run it. To run it, the value put here 1, 2, 3, and then give you 3 because the first one is offset 10, so it give you second column, and then the next one is give you offset 10, give you 2. So here we understand how the range very useful, because it control how Excel's spreadsheet how it works. So thank you for listening.